The function f is defined by f of x equals to a to the x power positive b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to f of x has an x-intercept at 3, 0 and a y-intercept at 0, negative 342. What is the value of a positive b? To get the value of a positive b, we have to get the values of the unknown constants a and b in the given function. And we have an information y equals to f of x. So we can plug in this y for f of x over here. Then the given function becomes an equation that is y equals to a to the x to power positive b. And we have an information, the x-intercept of the graph of the given function is 3, 0, y-intercept is 0, negative 342. That is, the graph of the given function is passing through these 2 points. Now we can use Desmos to solve this problem. Since the graph of the given function is passing through these 2 points, let's take these 2 points in Desmos. Okay, in Desmos, just click on this positive sign, go to the table, take the first point, that is 3, 0, the second point 0, negative 342. Now, we have to take this equation in Desmos. My aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to get the values of the unknown constants a and b. In that case, when I take this equation as input in Desmos, for y, I have to use y1. For equal sign, I have to use tilde sign. And for this x, I have to use x1. We have to take this positive as it is. So this is how we have to take the given, the equation as input in Desmos. Okay, let me do it out here. Okay, for y, we have to take y1, then we have to take tilde sign. A is raised to the power of x1. Let me take it positive b. Okay, here I got the values of a and b. The value of a is 7, the value of b is negative 343. Okay, my aim is to get the value of a positive b. So the value of a positive b is negative 336.